Yo, what's up? Got another video. Weekly recap. And we're gonna go over the trades I took. So just give me a second here. Alright. So we had basically a break-even day, a loss, and then a win. We're down on the week, but up on the month. Oh, sorry. So this trade we lost. I don't think. Yeah, I don't. I don't have it written down in my Notion journal. So I'm going to check the Discord group to see if I had put it in there. And maybe I have a picture of it. But I think I remember this one. Here. What day was that? The 8th? Oh, he got rid of him. No. No. Damn. R.I.P. I don't have him. So I don't have that one. And since this wasn't even a trade, I placed a trade, but like after 3 seconds I got out because I realized it was a stupid spot. But I do have this one. So we took a short, and this is everything that I've accumulated over the entire trade. We had a liquidity sweep, fair value gap, equilibrium, inverse fair value gap, SMT, and then breakage structure. And we got 506 from it. This was I think this was the day that was like super difficult, and I had to wait like 2 hours. But I still ended up getting it, which was good. Here, actually, let me move it over here. We use 1% risk. So, here's our daily. We originally had an S&T off of this right here. Before this candle, like at the beginning. Bullish, we had an S&T. I don't know why I kept saying another SMT, because that's the exact same one. Or maybe not. Never mind. And then in the 15-minute, once we had swept that daily high, once we swept that, I looked for a chance to get a short in. once we finish the primary move upwards towards the sweep, as in like this move right here. Because usually, yeah, once it sweeps, it still goes higher a little bit. So I meant that. And this is when you notice right here. After I saw that, I was like, okay, yeah, that's gonna be the end. So we made a 1 minute gap after this candle, which then closed. We made a 5 minute gap. So I waited for price to tab up to here because I didn't go when I go here because yeah, I saw this, but I was waiting for the next candle to see if it would make a gap or anything, and it just immediately did this, and I was like, yeah, no, we're gonna tap back in. So we did, and then boom, this candle right here. After this one, we closed. We just made displacement out of this gap, and we also inversed this in the same move. So that was my confirmation. I put my highs at the body highs of these candles, and then put TP at a 1-to-1 because I didn't want to do 1-to-2 just because of how the price action was. It was pretty shit, and it took me 2 hours, bro. Look where I entered trade at like in 10:20. Like it was annoying, but yeah, that was that trade. I think I put stuff. Yeah, I executed my trading plan exactly how I needed to. I was patient and I made sure I was constantly watching price action and being flexible within my bias and not being married to it. That's something that is said. What's done incorrectly is I still was a little hesitant to click buy, but I did end up doing it. Still need to work on that, but other than that, was a great trade. Anxious is what I felt, but patient because I knew it that market was very unpredictable right now, so I knew that I had to be focused and careful. So, yeah. There was that one. And yeah, we're not doing, I mean, we're obviously doing bad, but we're going into a new week with a good mindset. Tomorrow, we'll be able to trade. Tuesday, I have off, so we'll be trading this day, and that has some news on it, so that'll give it some volatility. Why is it? I don't know why it's doing that. Wednesday, I'm probably not going to trade at all. We got FOMC. Thursday, we got unemployment claims, so that's going to be good. I'll probably trade them, or look for trades. And then Friday, I have off as well. So that'll be another good day. No news. Well, it might not be. I don't know. But, yeah. I mean, that's basically it. For this weekly recap. Wasn't much because we had CPI and stuff, if you go back, look. We have this and this on Wednesday and Thursday. And Tuesday, I didn't take anything. Because I didn't get any entries, but after that one, like, placement that I tried. But, yeah, that's going to be about it for the weekly recap. I'm going to get some more back testing done. I'm going to back test this previous week again, and I'm going to compare it and see how I did. I'm probably going to do better because I always, when I'm actually focused, I always do good. But often times I'm at work, so it gets difficult. But yeah, I'm trying to get all this plastic off. Yeah, that's going to be about it. And yeah, I will catch you guys tomorrow for Monday's trade. Or possibility of trade. We're going to look at the markets. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace.